Hello. I want to say that as Chief Medical Officer at Legacy Health, recognizing all of our remarkable physicians during National Physicians Week is my absolute honor. I also want to recognize our advanced practice practitioner colleagues who work so closely with us. Your dedication, expertise, and compassion are the cornerstone of our healthcare system. This year, our theme for our system-wide recognition weeks is Legacy Now and Then. Kicking off with recognizing our physicians and providers is so fitting because healthcare has changed dramatically, and that's been made possible by their leadership over the years. Throughout this week, we're sharing stories that put a spotlight on our physicians and the important work they do. Reflecting on my own story, early in my career, we treated illnesses or injuries to the best of our abilities. Understanding how a person's life and environment played a role in their health was based more on an individual physician's perspective and interests. How a person's social determinants of health impacted their health was not yet on the radar in most situations. We certainly weren't encouraged to share about our own backgrounds and identities as a way to encourage diversity of thought and connection to patient care. Today, we consider so many things beyond symptoms indicated by the disease to help the whole person become healthier and happier. We respect each person's identity and background, from their race, ethnicity, and gender to their economic status and access to care. We also respect fellow colleagues' identities and backgrounds too. We provide gender-inclusive care. We think about illness and how patients are affected behaviorally and socially, as well as physically. I've always been immensely proud to work with such kind and smart physician and provider colleagues at Legacy, many of whom I count as personal friends. Our collegial culture has allowed us to work closely together and involve with healthcare to become an even stronger and more inclusive resource for our patients. If you're a physician, thank you. Thank you for your determination and dedication to the field of medicine and the people in the communities we serve. If you're not a physician, I hope you'll join me in sharing extra appreciation for our physicians this week. Your words of encouragement and gratitude remind us why we chose medicine. So help us celebrate all our physicians and other providers this week and throughout the year. Happy National Physicians Week.